Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll show you guys two sites where you can make money from by doing simple tasks. You can make money from them daily. If you can work hard, you can be making above $3 a day from these sites. And the sweet thing about this site is that it's free to join, it's available for all country, and no experience is required. What you just have to do for me is watch this video to the end so you won't miss any important part. So second on my list is called Micro Worker. So what this site is all about is that you work and earn for micro job. That means you do little jobs, like when you sign up, everything is free. They can give you some tasks like subscribe to my channel. You subscribe, they can pay you 4 cents. Someone to say view my website, some can say review my apps, and little tasks like that. Some can say you should create accounts under a website and they'll pay you specific amount, and the minimum amount they pay is 4 cents, and they won't pay some job pay over $1. So it's quite easy to make money from this. That some countries have more jobs than other countries because it depends on the employer, what country needs. It's very simple. Just search micro workers on your Google search. You go over to the site. The site is very easy to make money from, and they have different payment method to withdraw from. So just register with your country, using your country, either from any country, both Bangladesh, Pakistan, Turkey, Nigeria, US, you can use it. So now I'm going over to the first one, and that first one will be in details, and I'll show you guys some proof. So the first one here is called Pico Worker. You can see Pico Workers. Very simple. What this side is about is that, like, this is business owner. What business owner does is that they'll like they'll give we the freelancer the job, like we should create a short video. They can tell us to create a short video. They can tell us to promote content, like they cannot put their website link and say we should visit it, and crypto jobs, like those little jobs. Why you the freelancer? That means you work your way. What you have to do is, like, you can take survey, they can issue answer survey, you can write an honest review about the app. They can say download this app and give us a review about the app. You do that also. You can test an app, you can write an article, but I don't think this article is part of it. Yeah. Let's just see. So it's quite simple. You see, Pico Worker is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come to Pico Workers. Here they can hire workers for easy and quick job. So even though if you just give people job, you can also use this website, and if you want to earn from it, you can use this because it's similar to that micro worker. Just that this one has some more quality than that, because this one there are many jobs on it. You can see Twitter follow me, you can see Facebook likes and Facebook comments, different kind of tags. So You when you register under them, you have verified everything, you have verified your details, you select the job you like, complete the task, then you now send proof, because this site you need to send proof, and the employer will tell you what proof he needs. So when you send them the proof, you submit the proof on the website there, the employer will review whether it tallies with what is shown over inside, and if it tallies, he will pay you. And if your and good thing about this is that if you're an employer and you give job and people did not do your job well, you might decide not to pay them. That's good thing about this. You can see, let me see, this is a small gig and great work. They are easy to do and little time to finish. There are jobs like take survey, categorize image, help promote con and many other. Get credited immediately after your tax is reviewed and don't wait a month or see, and the payout is like I think instantly. So the proof I want to show you is this. You can see, sorry, oh, I have to reload this page. Let me reload and show you guys. I want to reload and show you guys because it looks blur now. Sorry for that. I think um that page is not loading properly, so it won't be part of this video. Your dashboard can be something like this. Your dashboard can be something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, where you can see your balance. You can see you can even earn more than this if you are ready to work hard. You can see you can also, one thing about this site is that you can be working and at the same time be posting job there. It's very simple. You can be using the money you have earned to post job. That I love about this site. And you can post affiliate links on blog. Can post affiliate link like those interested in CPA marketing. Can put most CPA marketing here and select and target the country you feel like. Because here you can target some countries like I want to post job. I can post job and target only US. Only US people that will be able to do the job. So let me show you this. See what is success rate. Worker must maintain a success rate of above 75% at all time. Too many not satisfied tasks with lower worker success rate. Low success rate prevent a worker from performing job for the next 30 days. That means this site they need legit workers. Like when people are satisfied, they are saying not satisfied, that means all the job you are doing, that means they are rejecting it. So they'll have to like suspend you from performing any job for 30 days. Okay, the job creators get charged for every task. Yes, business pay for tax they are satisfied with. Pico worker does not charge a fee for tax that do not meet requirements in ownership. All job owner will have the chance to rate every tax, every submitted tax. As I've said before, like you can also post tax on this site, and if you post tax and people that committed it and you saw that there was like a foul play there, you don't like it, you can reject it. You might not approve their work. Very simple. On accepted jobs, we do not allow attempt to harm third party spam. So just go over to your Google search and type Pico worker and join. This all this video. So kindly hit the like button, comment down below, and if you are new to this channel, kindly tap on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video, because this channel is all about making money online. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.